Hi guys, welcome back to Log Techie. In today's version of the video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to install an application that you can use for your web code development in Android. Alright, the application we're going to install is called TrebEdit, and TrebEdit can be used to code either HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. So we're going to go to Play Store and search for the app. So I'm going to go to my Play Store. And now we're going to type the name of the app. It's called TrebEdit. As you can see, I have it in my latest search, but let's type it TrebEdit and then hit the search button to search it. Now it's the first one you're seeing up there. Click on it to open it up for the installation. You can see that it just 5.4 MB. Let's click on install. As you can see, it's done downloading and it's installing. Yep. Now we have the app installed. Let's click on open to open up this app. Yes guys, once you open up the TrebEdit, this is how it's going to look like for the first time. It will tell you that there's a text editor. Bring your idea to reality with our text editor, which has a built-in helpful toolbar. I'm going to go to next. You can see it have an in-app browser. This in-app browser allows you to run your code from the editor without having to go to an external browser. And as well, it have a get source code where you can get the source code of any website. I believe you don't know what that means by now, but you get to know it as you follow on in this course. And also you have a learn to code where you can learn how to code online using W3 School. Yeah, this is the features that the app have. I'm going to click on finish. This will only show for the first time. All right, once you click on finish, this is where it will show. If you are to open up this app next time, this is where it's going to show.